Hey y'all, in today's video I was at the Good Guys Columbus 2024 and I came across a very cool 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll check it out real quick.
Man alive, what a nice car. I mean, pulling in the front gate, you knew that one was different. Just beautiful. I love the rally wheels, and it's so nice. I took for granted that there would be a lot of custom to it, and I don't think that there is. I think that most of it is the way that it would have came in, I'm saying 1980. That's what the plate says on the back, so I think that's, I think 79, 80, 81, who knows? I don't. But I can tell you, it's a good-looking car. And this generation Camaro is just kind of like, they weren't very fast, they were big and bulky. And, I had a 79 Trans Am, so same thing. They were cool, don't get me wrong. But they weren't real performance and good handling cars. Now, I would hope this one's at least had suspension and brakes and things like that upgraded, but I don't know. When you get up under the hood, you look, and it's beautiful up underneath there, but it looks like all the smog stuff's still there. It's it's taken back to the way that it would have been in 1980, which is cool because you just don't see them. Everybody hot rods them. Myself, if I had one and was doing it, the first thing I would do is put an LS or an LT up underneath the hood of it. So kudos to them for keeping it as close to stock as it is. If it's not, right on. And I mean, these are my cars of my generation, and I'll never forget a friend of my dad's had a 79 with red stripes, black with red stripes and red interior. Pretty flashy car. But we used to sell them out of our front yard, cars out of our front yard, so he brought it over there and let it set, and it was taking a little bit of time, so it had to be washed a couple of times. So before I had my driver's license, I'd drive and cruise that thing over to the car wash and wash it off and then bring it home. Of course, you had to go by and toot the horn and wave to a few friends on the way. It was one of them situations. You may have grew up where, you could cut through the neighborhood. You didn't have to get on a big road, but just for a short distance. And it wasn't my first time behind the wheel of a car. So it was perfectly safe. It was just very cool for a 13, 14-year-old to be able to go and do that kind of thing. So, yeah, again, a lot of fond memories come when I see that. And again, there you go. I mean, that's how my guess is it would have looked. There's a lot of tubing that wouldn't be on one that's been, swapped out and modernized. Either way, anyway, that it is just a beautiful car. I couldn't find any information on it, although I looked. I sure couldn't. Just a very cool car, though. I dig it. So there you go, from the 2024 Columbus Good Guys event. A very nice 1980 Camaro Z28. Hope you all enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.